Hey guys, welcome to Flow Auto Body. We have a job in for a full closed door respray. I'm just going to run you through it, what the process is and what the customer would like done. The UV rays from the sun has caused some paint fade damage on this vehicle, on the bonnet, on the roof and the boot lid, and also two of the quarter panels. And there's a few little chips and scratches down, and some dents actually too, down the sides. And the front bumper and the headlights have also received some fade from the UV rays. So we're going to repair absolutely everything on the exterior panels in this vehicle. As you can see, this car's already been visually mapped with any little bits and damage. So this is to indicate the paint fade along here, and there's some chips on the front bumper. This customer also wants the headlights refurbished. What we're going to do here is rub down the this sort of gritty fade, whatever that is, rub it down smooth and clear coat it, which will bring it back to as good as new. Same with the alloy wheels. The alloy wheels, as any customer would know, when they're parking a car, they may gutter rash or curb damage. We're just going to tidy up the damage and paint them back to silver and a nice shine back to brand new. Basically, is whatever you see, this is called a full closed door respray. We're not doing anything inside the panels. It's just when the doors are shut, this is what we paint, and this will be the final product. The customer would also like a brand new windscreen and brand new tint around the vehicle. New rubber strips as well, as the sun has damaged them. They're quite worn now. That's pretty much it. We'll see a before and after picture of this, and I can go around the post video to show you what we did and how we did it.
Okay, so now the car is finished, so what we moved on to attention is onto the wheels. So the wheels all had curb marks and like scratches and things all over them, so there was little stone chips even in the clear. So what we done was we said to them, we're going to do a really nice job. We're going to do inside and outside of the wheels. So what we done was we brought them down to the tire centre. We've got the tires broken down on them. We got the insides all cleaned up, all taken off, and everything like brake dust, tar. So yesterday we put on a nice coat of primer and we let that sit for a couple of hours, and then we blocked that back down nice and flat. And then last night we got wet and wet down, and we got our nice silver colour down. So we'll have a quick look at them. So yeah, this is the finished product. It looks awesome. So it is. It's lovely and smooth, and they came out really, really well. And what's nice as well is it's done both inside and outside of the wheel. So everything is done nice. So I'll go back down to the tire centre now again, get the tires back balanced up, and we'll put them back on the car. Yeah, they came out really nice, so they did. So yeah, they should look good. The owners went a lot of effort putting in a full respray in the car, so the last thing you want to do is let your wheels leave it down. So they came out really, really well, so they did. So yeah, happy with that.
Hey guys, welcome back to Flow Auto Body. Here we have a beautiful Holden Caprice. We've done a full closed door respray and refurbed the alloy wheels. Before I done a before video showing the dents, scratches, stone chips and paint delamination from the sun. And now this is the finished product. It looks beautiful. Starting off at the front, there was a lot of stone chips at the front end from obviously the front of the car panel and repainted. I also re-cleared the headlights as they had paint delamination as well. They came up really well. The alloy wheels, the guys done a beautiful job of the alloys. They had a lot of gutter rash on the outside and some stone chips. They look beautiful now, they look brand new. Then we re-polished the chrome molds everywhere and added some brand new badges just to give it that final polished look, I suppose. Also, the customer requested some new molds, windscreen molds, new windscreen, new roof molds and new aerial just to give it that, I suppose, that brand new look. We also got complete window tint. The old tint was bubbling off. Got nice new tinted windows, and the car just has a beautiful final touch. I'm really looking forward to seeing the customer. I'm very confident he will be delighted with the finish. I'm very happy. The car looks beautiful, looks like brand new. So that's another one through the doors and hopefully another happy customer.